What images come to mind when you think of a desert? Probably cactus. What images come to mind when you think of Valentine's Day? Maybe hearts? Maybe chocolate? At the Ethel Chocolate Factory and Botanical Cactus Gardens, you can experience both. Outside, the garden is full of cactus from deserts near and far.
Inside the factory, you can see the chocolate making process and get a free sample.
During the holidays, the Ethel Chocolate Factory provides an additional reason for you to come visit. During the daylight, the cactus garden looks like this. But at night, it looks like this! Millions of lights illuminate the cactus garden. This is the 11th annual Lights of Love. This is the Ethel Chocolate Factory Cactus Garden, located in Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. For just $3 a person, you can wander through this 3-acre cactus garden and see all the cactus illuminated with red, pink, white, purple Valentine's Day lights. And 100% of your $3 admission will be donated to the 3 Square Food Bank, whose mission is to provide wholesome food for hungry people. When you visit the Ethel Chocolate Factory, talk to the people who work here, practice your English skills, ask them what kind of chocolate they like, ask them if they've ever been pricked by a cactus. Ask them how they get their energy for this chocolate factory. There are many conversations that you could have here at the Ethel Chocolate Factory. Hit subscribe and improve your English as we travel to many places around the world.